What up guys, this is your boy DJY and I'm back with another episode. In today's video I want to show you Wallo warns Lil Durk about sliding for King 1.
And I'ma say that like this is documented. You know, I got a TED talk. I forgave my brother's killer. And I'm saying it to say this. Killed my brother. My brother died in my grandma's arms. House that we grew up in. Nigga shot my brother, he ran to the house. He died in Nanny arms when she opened the door. So I'm telling you this, some real if I ain't let that shit go, I won't be right here today. I won't be here for my niece and my nephews. Me and Gil won't be doing this. Y'all won't know me. I won't be able to give y'all this game. But I had to leave. I had to go. And when I let that go, nigga, I started to grow. And I started to glow. And now I'm here today, and it was hard. And I'm talking about this my big brother. I had to cell with him. I shared the bed with him when we was fucking kids. This little Steve. But I can tell you one thing. Now I'm out here taking care of his daughter, paying for her to go to school, taking care of my nephew, taking care of my mama and my grandmama.
Talk to him. Sure.
Because I forgave my brother killer, but you know, I understand. I understand what y'all going through. But I love all, and I mean that shit. I love you. And I hope y'all make it out. I hope y'all make
Man, he like
straight up, man.
It's so crazy. He dropping tears for this shit, like shit for real, like.
Guys, you know that absolutely everyone in social media is talking about Lil Durk arrested for alleged murder for hire conspiracy. So what do you think about these trials around Lil Durk? Please tell me in comment section and let's discuss about this topic. So as you see, Wallo truly warns Lil Durk and this is appreciated, man. I want to send a major shout out to Wallo for his emotional speech, man. He is the realest, bro, period. So guys, this was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. Thanks for watching, God bless you, have a nice day, peace.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTV, just keep it going.